I'm Steve Butler from Correla. I'm a technical product manager looking after Gemini, the application suite behind the competitive gas industry. Basically, Gemini runs a number of suites or portfolios of products which do various different parts of the gas market. So Gemini actually runs auctions to match supply and demand to make sure that the right gas is available to everyone who requires that. So we decided to modernise Gemini basically because we're looking at reducing the cost of running the application. So there's a lot of pressures currently on gas prices going up, and the whole industry is working towards trying to keep those prices down as much as possible. Gemini was originally written almost 20 years ago. The challenges of modernising Gemini, there's a number of these. So basically it's a very, very large application. So it consists of Java code, JavaScript, databases, those sorts of technologies. There's over 8 million lines of code there, something like about 14,000 classes, and it is very complex and it has evolved over time. So we really need to break this up into something smaller. At the minute, whenever we make a change, we potentially have to retest quite a lot of the application to make sure it still works properly. So the key thing for us is to modularise this, so we put it into smaller features basically. Then when we make a change, we only have to test a smaller part. So effectively we're breaking it up into 27 blocks rather than this huge monolith that we've got at the minute. We've discovered vFunction through our evaluation of the market. So we found a number of tools, some of which have been there for quite a long time, do parts of the puzzle. vFunction is a relatively new offering built around sort of machine intelligence, AI, and it offers a much more state-of-the-art tool for doing this. And from our point of view, it did more than some of the other tools we've seen. The dashboard within vFunction really gave us some insight we wouldn't get using more traditional tools. Wipro have been involved with vFunction for the last couple of years, really since that started up, and worked with us. And through the competitive evaluation we did, it was a very, very good fit. We've worked with Wipro for approaching sort of 22, 23 years. So they've been involved with ourselves and Exaserve in creating Gemini originally. We looked at where we wanted to go with the modern architecture for Gemini, but also they're very good fit, both commercially and from their sort of business knowledge and that background.
Hi, my name is Athar Aslam. I head the digital and apps business for energy and utility customers of Wipro in Europe, and I'm based out of UK. vFunction has helped de-risk and accelerate the modernization initiative with Gemini program at Correla. I would say in three ways. One is the reducing the complexity of analysis that we do. Second, I would say the kind of an automation and the AI that is built into vFunction helps us understand the dynamic and the static aspects of the code. And third, I would say for our senior stakeholders and the market and the industry and as a whole, the predictability of the project. So I think it's really a win-win-win plan for Wipro, Correla and vFunction on this path.